Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello kids, welcome back with me, learning with teacher Aliffa. How are you doing kids? I hope you are doing well. So today, we're gonna learn about cursive letters. Do you know cursive letter, kids? You don't know yet? Alright, cursive letter is the alphabetical letter which is connected from one letter to another. It's different from the letter that you have learned with your teachers in your kindergarten. So today, we're gonna learn about cursive letter in vowel. But before we start our lesson today, I will give you some tips so you will learn better. The first tips is focus. Pay attention. Pay attention to me. And the second is follow the steps. And the third, do it yourself. You have to practice. Okay? All right, let's start. All right, kids. Do you know what are the 5 vowels alphabet? Do you know? First is, yes, true, A. And then the second one is, very good, I. And the third is, U. That's true. And the fourth one, yes, correct, E. And the last one is, very good, kids, O. So 5 vowels letters in alphabet are A, I, U, E, and O. Very good, kids. So kids, before we start, I want to ask you, have you prepared the materials to write cursive letters? The first, you have to prepare the books that has lines. And then the second is pencil and eraser. Okay, if you have prepared all the materials, I want to start our lesson today. What is the first letter of vowel? True, yes, A. So I have my whiteboard here that has line. You have learned with your teacher how to write A. Yes, very good. It's make a line like this. Wow. It's a little bit not in the right line, but it's fine. We are learning together. 1, 2, 3. How about the small letter? Make a stick like umbrella. Then half of circle. Very good. All right. And how to make the cursive letter for A? Follow my step. This is for capital. First, you have to write the half of circle. Like this. And then you bring it up. Wow, you have followed my step. Very good. Then, just make a straight line like this to the bottom. Wow, kids, you are doing well. Again. 1, 2, pull it, and then make the straight line to the bottom. Wow, very good. Yeah, show me your result. Wow, it's nice, kids. And how about the small letter? The line, like this. Follow my step. And then, same. We make circle and then the straight line. Wow. It's A. Yes. And then we continue. We try again. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and make a line like this. Very good, kids. You are doing well. This is for A cursive letter. So let's go to the next letter. So what is the second letter of vowel? Yes, true, I. So, you have learned about I in alphabet. You just make a straight line. That's true. How about the small letter? Yes, same, but you have to give the dots. True. And how to write in cursive letter? I want to write the capital one. Follow my step. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's amazing, kids. Again. 1, 2, 3. It's very good. And we will write the small letter. Okay. The first one. 1. Okay. You are doing well. And then straight line like this. Like this. What is this? This looks like N. True, but we will put the dots here. This is I with a small letter. Yes, I. Because we will connect to another letter, so we make the line like this. Yes, good. Again, 1, 2, 3. It's very nice, kids. It's easy, right? So the next letter is U. Let's go to the next letter. So the next letter is U. Yes, true. How did you learn with your teacher? U capital like this, right? Then the small letter of U like this. That's true. That's same as the cursive letter. You just need to add the line. How about the capital cursive letter? Like this. 1, 2. Same, kids. 3. Wow, you're doing well. That's true. It's like vowel, right? Again. 1, 2, 3. Very good, kids. And for the small U letter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. It's very good, kids. Look at this. This U. Yes, this one U. And this line to connect to other letters. Let's move to the next letter, which is E. So the next letter is E. This one is the capital E, and this is a small letter of E. So how to write the cursive letter of E for capital? Please pay attention. Follow my step. 1, 2, 3. Oops. I will write better like this. Yes, it's like the 3 letter, right? Like number 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. That's very good, kids. How about the small cursive letter? It's different from the capital. The small letter of E. 1, 2. Yes, it's oval. Then 3. Very good, kids. Next. Let's try one more. 1, 2, oval, and 3, line. Very good. Same as others, this line is to connect to another letter. Let's move to the last letter of vowel. So the last letter is O. I know you love O letter because it's your favorite. You just make the circle for the capital, the big circle, and the small circle for the small letter of O. It's same for the cursive letter. You just need to write the circle. Follow my step. 1, 2, 3. It's same, kids. You just need to add and make your hands move like this. Again. 1, 2, 3. It's very good, kids. And for the small cursive letter. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you just need to add the small circle inside the small circle. Again, it's a little bit oval. 1, 2, 3. Very good, kids. Wow, you did a very good job, kids. Give applause. Very good. So that's all for our lesson today. I hope you guys enjoying the lesson writing in cursive letters. See you in the next class.